Arbula, good evening. My name is Captain Blake Novak, and I'm the commanding officer of Coast Guard Cutter Munro, homeported in Alameda, California. The Munro departed homeport in late March to participate in Operation Blue Pacific, which is focused on supporting our Pacific Island partner nations and territories to bolster maritime safety, security, and economic prosperity in the region. One of the ways we do this is through integrated efforts to counter illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. IUU fishing takes away jobs from legitimate fishers and negatively impacts the economy of island nations. Over the past few days, we enacted the bilateral shipwrighter agreement between the United States and the Republic of the Fiji Islands. This agreement allows us to embark Fijian enforcement representatives to observe, protect, board, and search vessels suspected of violating laws or regulations within Fijian waters. In addition, the shipwrighter program provides us both the opportunity to share best practices on how to conduct enforcement activities safely when operating in high-risk environments. The Munro supported officials from the Ministry of Fisheries, the Fiji Revenue and Customs Service, Fijian Immigrations Department, and the Fiji Navy in conducting multiple boardings to enforce Fijian laws and regulations in Fijian waters. These officers served as lead agents for boardings, which resulted in violations. But more importantly, through working together, we were able to share technical expertise and ideas on how to improve safety, risk management, and develop case packages for evidence preservation. These are important skills which reinforce maritime governance and a free and open Indo-Pacific. In addition to the work we are conducting at sea, we will be visiting the Fiji Maritime Surveillance Rescue Coordination Center to share ideas and experiences to improve search and rescue efforts. Search and rescue is a critical skill set for all Coast Guard assets and one which we are always seeking to improve. Vanaka to our partners here in Fiji. The U.S. Coast Guard is a proud partner, and we look forward to future opportunities to work together.